In this video, we want to look at one more question, chikungunya. Chikungunya is an arthropod-borne disease which comes under Alba virus family, which causes fever, polyarthralgia and arthritis. What is chikungunya? It is a vector-borne disease, comes under alpha virus, which causes fever, polyarthralgia and arthritis. Chikungunya is an West African word which meaning something that bend. It is an endemic disease, so found almost all places, particularly in West Africa, Asia, Europe. Also occur in Pacific and Indian Ocean region. This one is present at almost all places. Then vector, Aedes species of mosquito act as vector, especially Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus. Both species, both mosquito act as vector. It is an RNA virus, comes under the family of Tocaviridae family. This chikungunya is an RNA virus, comes under the family of Tocaviridae. Then transmission of chikungunya, how it will transmit. Infected mosquito bite, then transfusion of blood and blood product, as well as organal transmission, then from mother to child. What are the way it will transmitted? Infected mosquito bite, transfusion of blood and blood product, as well as organal transmission from mother to child. Then clinical manifestation, acute infection, it causes fever, malaria, polyarthralgia, maculopapular rashes and thrombocytopenia. Then persistent or relapsed disease means it causes arthritis, morning stiffness, new onset renals. Neonatal infection means fever, poor feeding, rash, thrombocytopenia. In clinical manifestation, it have three different infection it causes: acute, persistent, neonatal. Acute means it causes fever, malaria, polyarthralgia, maculopapular rashes and thrombocytopenia. Persistence means it causes arthritis and morning stiffness. Neonatal means it causes fever, poor feeding, rashes, thrombocytopenia. Then diagnosis of chikungunya, it depends upon the duration of illness in the particular patient. Diagnosis depending upon the duration of illness in a particular patient. 7 days of illness, maybe RT-PCR is considered. 7 days means RT-PCR considered. After 8 days of illness means serological testing, either ELISA or IFA is recommended. Within 7 days means RT-PCR. After 8 days means ELISA or IFA. The detection of IgM antibody by ELISA is positive within 5 days. Detection of IgM antibody in ELISA positive within 5 days. Positive up to 3 months. Then moving to treatment. Acute diseases within 30 days. That means no specific antiviral treatment, only rest, IV drugs, then acetaminophen. Acute disease means no specific antiviral therapy. We will take rest, intravenous, IV, then acetaminophen. In the case of post-acute disease means 1 month to less than 3 months. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, non-antisteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, which found mainstay of treatment. Here There are using gabapentin and pregabalin. In the case of post-acute disease means gabapentin, pregabalin. In the case of chronic disease means it comes under more than 3 months. Disease modifying anti-rheumatic drugs. There are recommended methotrexate, sulfasalazine. Methotrexate, sulfasalazine. Last one is persistent or relapsed disease. That duration variable. So here they recommended both. Methotrexate, then sulfasalazine. In this video we discussed chikungunya. This one repeated small question. It comes under the family of alpha virus. It causes fever. Chikungunya is a West African word which means bent. That which bent. Then vectors. Two mosquito act as a vector. Aedes aegypti and Aegypti albopictus. It is a RNA virus. How it will transmit? Through infected mosquito bite, transmission of blood and blood product organelles, then mother to child. Diagnosis, we are using RT-PCR, serological test, ELISA or IFA. Treatment purpose mainly used methotrexate, sulfasalazine. Thank you.